Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for HipkitClub. It's Josefine here with a new process video for you on Moodboard Sunday, and I use beautiful um, September HipKits for this process video and for this layout. And the moodboard is designed by Melanie, and I love this mood boards. And of course I had an assignment and I had to make a grid design, so I choose several design papers from the HipKit Club September kits, some from Pinkfresh and some design papers from the HipKit Club exclusives papers. And these design papers matches beautifully with each other. So I my assignment was make a grid design, and I cut the design papers to size from 2 by 2 inch squares, and I placed the squares in the center of my scrapbook layout. And the photos from me and my husband when we did a walk in the woods. I cut these photos in squares 2 and 2 by 2 inches. I think I will place the Hello Fall circle in the center of this square page, this grid page that I designed. And I draw some lines with my pencil, and I stitch these lines with my sewing machine, and I use dark blue threads to stitch a grid design on my white cardstock. On this light blue square from the design papers, I made several stitches with dark blue sewing threads and used my sewing machine for that. I fussy cut an apple from the HipKit Club exclusive design papers, put him on top of the stitching details, and here I decided to use 4 chipboard circles instead of design paper square. So it's time to make a pocket. I decided to make a pocket so you can put some some hidden journal in the pocket. And I create my pocket from a stroke design paper from about 4.5 inch by 2 inch. I fold the flaps by using my bone folder and this cute little tag from the Pinkfresh collection. I cut the tag in half and place the tag on top of my pocket flaps, and that I create. And for the closure to close my pocket, I use a crocodile, make some holes, punch some holes in my pocket on both sides, and use some sewing thread, some easy floss in the color orange, so I can easily close my pockets. And that's it. So I think it's a great idea to make pockets on your layout, and maybe in the future I create a layout with only pockets on my layout, but I'm not for sure. I have to design that in my head, and but I love to make pockets. So definitely I will creating more pockets on my scrapbook pages in the future. Now it's time to use some adhesive tape and 3D foam to put all the squares in place on this scrapbook page. And the reason that I use adhesive tape and 3D foam is you created more dimension in your scrapbook pages. And for the photos I use some adhesive tape, and for the design paper squares and the beautiful Hello Fall round die cut, I use a 3D foam. pocket called Soon Street, I stitched the apple through the center, and the Hello Fall die cut, around Hello Fall die cut, I stitched with a golden thread and use my sewing machine for that. I sew circles with my golden thread, and I love the effect of stitching and stitching of the die cuts. And here I made a cluster with flowers under my Hello Fall, and use some puffy stickers, and here I use a word strip, and I don't have exactly a title, and I think maybe it's a great idea to use the beautiful dark blue alpha set. And at the end I decided to make the title, and the title calls Hello Fall, Let's Celebrate Love. I think, yes, it's a great title for these layouts from me as my husband. And so I use a die cut, a word strip, and alpha set to create my scrapbook title. Here I placed some enamel dots around the cluster that I made on my page, and a clear sticker, a word clear sticker from the hipkitclub exclusive. I put the word sticker on top of my pocket, and these clear stickers from the hipkitclub exclusives are a great addition to your scrapbook layouts or your scrapbook projects. Here I splatter around with white gesso. You can use acrylic white paint or white gesso, mix it with a little bit of water and splash around with your brush. I decided to use my watercolors for more colored splatters on my background, and I choose a dark blue watercolor and mix it with a little bit of water, of course, and splatter around on my white cardstock background. And these dark blue splatters just give just a little bit extra dimension on your scrapbook page. I think my scrapbook page is ready to go, and I had a lot of fun with the mood board and the assignments to make a grid design, and I'm very happy how my page turned out. So I want to thank you for watching my process video for hipkitclub, and don't forget to check the website, the blog, and the Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration from other designers. And I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and hope to see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.